Hey, Dave We Like here with 3 different BlissLights products that they went ahead and sent me. First off, we've got our Starport laser USB light, as well as our skylight and laser Christmas tree topper. So, let's go ahead and unbox the Starport. With the Starport laser USB light, you could go ahead and put this behind your TV, your computer, or, just use it as a night light to have fun under the galaxy. All right, so here it is itself. This is the laser light, which you could plug in standard, or it comes with an extender that you could go ahead and use as well, and that will allow us to adjust kind of the angle of the light. All right, so right down here, I've got my USB port that I'm trying to connect with the Starport, and just like that, you literally plug it in, it'll turn on, and you can adjust it however it is that you want. If you want to go straight on up. That's pretty cool, huh? So of course, my lights are on. Let me turn the lights off. So as you can see, got my TV on. The stars are going at the Starport. Another fun location to have this would be right here at my computer, huh? Doesn't that look good? I mean, it's like this sunset that is just so stunning. Now this is the skylight that allows us to really transform our entire room with a nebula and laser show. So let's go ahead and open it all up as well. So of course it's a laser. You got to remove the film, so it seems. And this is the actual skylight itself. Cool. Awesome. And the plug. All right, this is my skylight. I've got it plugged on in and boom, baby. This is awesome. You can see that the actual lasers and the nebula are both moving at the same time. They completely fill up my entire room all the way around. So it's got a super wide angle. Let's go ahead and show you from this perspective, right? Coming on out. Boom. This is so cool. This is so much fun. I literally have the galaxy in my apartment right now. I didn't know this was possible, but it is so amazing. And what's great is, okay, say that you don't want it to, the lasers and the nebula to be moving around. They do move slowly, as you can see. They don't make you nauseous, from what I can tell. But you could go ahead and pause it with the middle button. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but right now they are paused. So they're not moving. The other thing is the third button on the bottom here will adjust the brightness. So that's, I guess, medium and low. And then again, bright. It's a big difference. So if you just want a little bit, you could go with that. And of course, if you don't want to light up the entire room, just light up a wall, you could totally do that as well. Just adjust, where the position of the light is. And you can see that it is stunning. This is so much fun. I mean, I can't believe it. It's super, 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 super cool. Of course, don't want it on a table. What happens if you just put it on the floor? Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Boom, baby. That is so cool. It's a nice accent piece to any apartment. Additionally, if you hit the top power button, you'll see that it's going to cycle through our options here, of one being just pure laser, and the other one is being the pure nebula. And it also turns it off. And now onto the Christmas tree topper, where you can see that there are various colored LEDs here, as well as, of course, a laser show that will be had on top of your Christmas tree. So here's our star. Let's see. And then we've got, whoa, a stand as well. I think what we do is this is Velcro, and we're supposed to wrap it around the stem of the Christmas tree. Okay, so we are supposed to go ahead and snap this in place like such. So this is our cord going into the plug that will allow us to plug it in on the Christmas tree, and there you go. So it should light on up. Now this is the Christmas tree topper. I wrapped it around my tripod since I don't have a Christmas tree. But again, you can see the laser light show is gigantic, and it shuffles through and cycles through various colored LED stages. And I don't know if you can exactly see, but the middle portion does change independently from the outer LEDs. So I'll just kind of sit here and you can see the various colors. Well, these BlissLights took no time whatsoever to go ahead and set on up. You just plug them in and enjoy bringing the galaxy home. I'll see you all in the next video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you get it.